What data types are used in GIS analysis? Have you ever wondered how archaeologists uncover the secrets of the past? One of the key tools they use is Geographic Information Systems, or GIS. This technology helps them analyze and interpret spatial data, which is essential for understanding archaeological sites. Now, let's break down the different data types that play a role in GIS analysis, especially in the context of archaeological excavation and artifact recovery techniques. First up is vector data. This type of data represents features using points, lines, or polygons. Think of it as a way to describe specific objects, like the boundaries of an archaeological site or the layout of features within that site. Vector data is great for mapping and analyzing relationships between different elements in space. Next, we have raster data. This data type represents the world as a grid of pixels, where each pixel holds a specific value. Raster data is often used for continuous data, like elevation or soil types. Understanding these factors is important for assessing the environment around archaeological sites. Point data is another important type. It is often used within vector models and focuses on specific locations, such as where artifacts are found or where excavation units are located. This helps archaeologists analyze trends and patterns within a site. Density mapping is a technique that creates visual representations of the concentration of features or artifacts across a site. This method is particularly useful for identifying patterns in how artifacts are distributed, which can tell us a lot about past human behavior. Now, let's look at some practical applications of GIS in archaeology. One significant use is predictive modeling. By analyzing environmental factors like water sources and landforms, GIS can help predict where potential archaeological sites might be located. This is valuable for planning excavations and managing cultural resources effectively. Intrasite spatial analysis is another application. GIS tools allow archaeologists to analyze how artifacts and features are distributed within a site. This analysis helps in understanding how sites formed and changed over time. GIS also excels in data integration and visualization. It allows archaeologists to combine various data types, such as aerial imagery and geophysical survey data, to create a comprehensive view of archaeological sites. This integration aids in decision-making for site preservation and excavation planning. When it comes to specific data formats used in archaeology, there are a few key ones. Esri shapefiles are commonly used for vector data, including site boundaries and artifact distributions. Geo-referenced images in tagged image file format are useful for incorporating aerial photography and satellite imagery into GIS analyses. Additionally, ASCII text files are often used for storing raw data from surveys or fieldwork. In summary, GIS analysis is essential for managing and interpreting the spatial aspects of archaeological sites and artifacts. By utilizing various data types and formats, archaeologists can gain a clearer picture of historical contexts and plan future excavations more effectively.